In this short video, I will show you how to use the navigation pane in Microsoft Word to find, edit, and reorganize your document using heading styles. I am using Word 2016 for this demo, but the steps work the same in the most recent Word versions. First, let's make the navigation pane visible. Open your document, go to the View tab on the ribbon, and in the Show group, check the box for the navigation pane. The pane appears on the left and has 3 tabs: Headings, Pages, and Results. We will work from the Headings tab because it shows the document structure built from Word's heading styles. The navigation pane fills only when you use built-in heading styles. To make a section appear in the pane, select the section title, go to the Home tab, and choose the appropriate style from the Styles group, such as Heading 1 for main sections and Heading 2 for subsections. Apply Heading 1 to main headings and Heading 2 or lower to nested sections. As you scroll through the document, the pane highlights the heading you are working under, so you always know where you are. Like if I copy these heading in the next page, see what happens when I scroll. With headings applied, the navigation pane becomes a powerful editing tool. Click any heading in the pane, and Word will jump to that location in the document, which is much faster than scrolling. To move a whole section, click and drag its heading in the pane to a new spot. Word moves the heading and everything under it until the next heading of the same or higher level. A solid line shows where the content will be dropped, so you can see the new location before you release the mouse. You can also change a heading's level from the pane. Right-click a heading and choose Promote to raise its level or Demote to lower it. Word updates the style and the pane's indentation automatically. To add a new section, right-click an existing heading and pick New Heading Before, New Heading After, or New Subheading. Word inserts a blank heading in the document, and you can type the new title. To remove a section, right-click the heading you want to delete and choose Delete. But be careful because this removes the heading and all content and subheadings under it. Try applying headings and moving a section in the pane to see how much time it saves compared with cutting and pasting. If you follow these steps, reorganizing long documents becomes much easier and safer. Practice on one section first, and you will get comfortable with moving and editing content from the pane.